Brand new to our inventory here at Tameron Gulf Coast, we have this factory certified 2018 Chevrolet Cruze LT Sedan. Some of the exterior features include power and heated door mirrors, fully automatic headlights, and a rear backup camera. Inside you'll find comfortable cloth seating for 5, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and a power sunroof. The 8-inch LCD touchscreen display has Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto to keep you connected. This one-owner 2018 Chevrolet Cruze has less than 71,000 miles, and it comes with the AutoCheck buyback protection. Give Tameron Gulf Coast a call today at 251-626-2641, or you can visit us anytime on the web at www.tamerongulfcoast.com for more information.